media partners. Isa pa, sige, we have one more.
I'm Reyna Alberto from Business Mirror. Ma'am, you mentioned kanina po yung sa tax perks po ng mga cooperatives. Meron po proposal din kasi before na gusto nilang tanggalin yung tax perks exemption po ng cooperatives. May we get the opinion lang po ng mga cooperatives tungkol po dito and kung yung proposal po ba na yun ay mas nakakabuti po ba sa inyo?
Our stand is no. Malaking ang kooperatiba is part of the nation building, lalo na sa mga rural areas, no? At saka yung mga members na doon umaasa. So we are no for tax exemption. In fact, merong no to tax cooperative. It's continue. Kaya meron pa kami, kasi dati is only 10 million lang ang tax exempted for transacting to non-members. Ngayon, the COP chamber is lobbying na maging 100 million. So, pasalamat rin kami ni President ni COP Imon, Ispare sa COP NATCO party lists, at saka likewise kay Senator Marcos, no, for giving us, no, doon sa draft na 10, 8, 11, nandoon na. Oo, nandoon na. So, we are lobbying for that. Isa pa rin doon na yung COP chamber is lobbying for that is the 5-year ng certificate of certificate, yung CEC, COC. Kasi last time, at sa ngayon kasi, every year kami mag-file. And then, yung tax exemption is 5 years. So, we are lobbying. Nandoon na naman na dapat kung 5 years na tax exempted ang cooperative, 5 years rin yung COC. Okay naman ang yearly na inspection sa Cooperative Development Authority. So again, no kami sa taxing the cooperative.